Today I'll be sharing with you the secrets and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I will be sharing with you all the steps, so make sure you have a notebook or a tablet to jot these things down. Stay tuned, you do not want to miss this video. Welcome everybody to the channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the secrets how to get a big tax refund with no dependents. You might remember a video that I did is one of my most popular videos of how to get a big refund with no dependents. But in this video, I'll be sharing more information with you guys, okay? That video I talked about adjusting your withholdings. You might remember I also did a video about adjusting your withholdings with the W-4 allowance form. That form has been updated since I did that last video, you guys. Okay, so for those of you who haven't watched that video about the W-4 new allowance form and what you need to do on this to get a bigger refund, make sure you go back and watch that video. All you have to do on this form, instead of adjusting your numbers to filing 0 or 1 or taking out less, what you do on here is you just tell or report on this form. You report on the form to your employer on this form and let them know how much you want to take out of it so that you will get a refund or not have to owe at the end of the year. Okay, and you want to make sure that you do that and you sign it and date it and get it to your employer. Make sure you watch this entire video because I'm sharing with you more information how to get a bigger refund. So make sure that you watch to the end. It's more than what I shared about this allowance form, you guys. So continue to watch to hear the secrets how to get a big refund. The next way of how to get a big refund is you want to take advantage of the tax credits. Take advantage of the tax credits, you guys. It's essential to claim all the benefits you're entitled to, and credits are usually better than deductions because they can reduce the taxes you owe, not just your taxable income. So they are better than deductions, but don't get it twisted. Deductions can help you. So I know a lot of people get the earned income credit. They get the child tax credit with the ones who have dependents and children. But what those of you who don't know, if don't have dependents, you can end up taking the credits for the IRAs and 401ks and also college credit. The American Opportunity, the college credit, that can make a difference of $1,000 that a lot of people do not know. So if you have a child, or you actually, if you don't have children and you have no dependents and you went to college last year, you can take advantage of those college credit to get a bigger refund. That could make a difference, you guys, in your refund. I already talked about you saving for retirement in the IRAs and the 401ks, and you can report the losses in capital investments, and it can also reduce your tax bill, leading to a bigger refund. Now, I did a video the other day, you guys, about how my tax client saved $10,000 during tax season. And we know that especially if you made a lot during last year, not owe anything for federal and state, that's the biggest refund that you can get, not having to owe nothing, especially when you have made a lot of money. Okay, you won't have to pay anything. So my tax client ended up saving even more than that $10,000. So you keep watching, and I'm gonna share with you some ways to help you too. All right, watch until the end. You can contribute to your HSA make charitable contributions. And if you have a business, let's say that you have a W-2 last year and you also had a small business. Well, businesses can take a much wider range of tax reduction strategies than you filing just with a W-2 or individual taxpayer because of tax business expenses. You want to make sure that you're lowering that tax bill. How can you do it? When you have a business and you have that W-2, you guys, the business expenses, the office, the rent, the home office expenses, the cost of acquiring and maintaining the business, a vehicle, if you have that for the business, an inventory, also depreciation, self-employed health insurance, also, and your losses in a business can help you. Deductions reduce your taxable income. Let's just say that you have $50,000 taxable income and $10,000 in tax deduction. These deductions reduce your taxable income to $40,000. And you say that you're in this 12% tax bracket. Okay, you multiply that by the 12% tax, the 10,000 taxable income by the 12% tax rate, and you save on your tax bill $1,200. You guys, these are some of the greatest secrets that people don't know. So it's important when you're selecting your tax preparer that you're choosing wisely and that you actually know the tax code so you can take advantage of having a bigger refund, not having to owe. And we know zero, especially when you owe a lot every year. Are you making a lot of money and not having to pay the IRS is a big, that is so great. That's a big refund. Tax credit reduce the amount you owe dollar for dollar. $10,000 in tax credit would mean $10,000 in tax savings instead of the $1,200 with deductions. So credits are better than deductions, but both are great to have for you to know and understand and to take advantage of during tax season. Okay, so these are the secrets to making are getting a big refund. Make sure you take advantage, you guys. Even if you didn't take advantage last year, take advantage next year by applying all the things that you learned in this video.